Hey, it's Sasha Evdokov, founder of Rise to Learn. And in this video, I'm going to answer the common question in detail of how much money do you really need to start trading in the markets and be able to live off of it. I get this question all the time, so I figured a video response would be the best answer. So when I look at this question, I see it as two parts. The first part is, what kind of lifestyle do you need or want? And the second part is, how much money do you need to start trading to get to that lifestyle? So the first question is, what kind of lifestyle do you want? First, you need to answer this question, and then we can get to the second question. So do you want to party 5 nights a week and spend $200 a night? Or do you want to live in a $5 million mansion? Maybe you just want to be a stay-at-home parent and have a couple $100 extra per month to be able to raise your kids and have the free time to spend with your family. So what kind of lifestyle do you want is the first question. Now, of course, this also goes into where you're living. For example, if you're trading on the US market, but maybe you're living in Costa Rica, then the lifestyle costs are just much different. So you need to calculate this and do some homework ahead of time to figure out what type of lifestyle you need or want, and then see how much that costs. But if you're looking for a basic or generic answer, let me just give a hypothetical answer to this question. So let's just say you have rent expense, which is $700, medical expense at $50, car expense $200 a month, cell phone $60, electric $100, water $50, some food maybe $300, additional expenses at around $200, and your internet bill of $60. So let's just say roughly your total of a per month basis is $3,000. Now, depending on your number of wins, the percentage of return for those wins, your losses or the percentage of your losses, and also your commissions and brokerage fees will determine if you hit that $3,000 goal. So let's say you win 5 times a week on average with only a few minor losing trades. So let's just say 3 wins. 3 wins at $350 per trade, which would equal $1,050. You have your 2 losses at $100 each, which is $200 loss. So your final total is $850 times 4 weeks, which is $3,400 per month. So the question is how do you make $350 per trade? Well, you could do about 150 shares of a stock that goes up $3. You could do 200 shares or so of a stock that goes up $2, or 500 shares of a stock that goes up about 70 cents. Now keep in mind that not all stocks are created equal. Stocks around $60 a share don't move the same as stocks in the $400 range. So stocks $60 a share may move $1 to $2 on a decent day. Stocks that are $200 may move $2 to $5 on a good day. Stocks that are $400 may move $4 or $7 on an average day. So that's something to take into account. Now, when we know this, let's just say you're trading a $50 stock and it moves $1 to $2. You may need 350 shares. Now, to buy 350 shares of a $50 stock, you need about $18,000. For a $200 stock that moves $2 to $3 a share, you need 200 shares that we mentioned earlier. So you need about $40,000. And if you're planning to trade the $400 stocks, they typically move a lot faster, but you only need about 50 shares, but it would still be around $20,000. So that's kind of the math breakdown. So looking at the numbers, we got a range of about $18,000 to about $40,000. So somewhere in that $25,000 range is usually a good figure to start out with if you're looking to start out with trading for a living and making $3,500 every single month based on the percentages that we just discussed. Now, of course, you have to take into account your losses and things that happen. So your situation will be different, but you can use the same type of calculation to get hypothetical situations and hypothetical scenarios that you can calculate and see where you would be. So just use it as a reference guide to make your own calculations. I'm Sasha Evdokov. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and share this video with your friends on your favorite social media platform. And don't forget to check out my website, tradersfly.com, where you can sign up to the newsletter and get my alerts, in addition to checking out some of my great courses that take you to becoming a much better and more profitable stock trader. Thanks again, and remember to do what you love, contribute to others, and most importantly, live life abundantly.